Welcome to Masomo e-learning, where we enhance the new curriculum through digital content. Revision stories, the reproductive system. One day, Mungu said to man, "Go and reproduce. Become more through reproduction, a biological process by which new individuals or offsprings are produced. You will produce young ones like mammals through sexual reproduction, when the male cell and the female cell will fuse." So Mungu created the female reproductive system. He said, "Oviduct or fallopian tube. Through your tube, the ovum, female egg cell, will travel during ovulation. Fertilization will also take place here." Ovary, Mungu said. "You will be the place where the female cell called the ovum will be produced. Uterus or womb," Mungu said. "You will welcome the ovum. The ovum will be implanted on your walls, and there it will develop. Vagina," Mungu said too. "You will be the path through which the baby will leave the womb during birth. You will also receive the sperm during copulation," that is sexual intercourse. Mungu then created the male reproductive system. Penis, he called. "You will be the sex organ that will introduce sperms into the vagina." Urethra, Mungu called. "You will be the passage through which the sperm leaves the penis." Testes, Mungu called. "You will produce sperms." Scrotum, "You shall hold the testis. You shall be two chambers with skin and muscles." Now Mungu commanded, "The male cell sperm and the female cell ovum will fuse, and this shall be called fertilization. It shall take place in the oviduct. A zygote will be formed in a few days. The zygote will develop into embryo. The embryo will move down the fallopian tube. The embryo will develop organs to be the fetus. Through placenta, fetus shall get food and oxygen. Waste will be removed from the body through umbilical cord to placenta. I shall put a fluid called amniotic fluid around you, fetus. It will protect you from shock and injury. You will grow, and in 9 months, woman shall give birth." And happy, and happy I shall be when you reproduce and fill the world. Revision questions. Reproduction. The exchange of oxygen and food between the mother and the developing fetus takes place through a structure called A. Vagina, B. Ovary, C. Amnion, D. Placenta. Which one of the following is formed first after fertilization? A. Zygote. B. Sex cell. C. Embryo. D. Fetus. Which one of the following is the correct order for the development of a human young one? A. Fetus, embryo, zygote. B. Zygote, embryo, fetus. C. Zygote, baby, embryo. D. Embryo, zygote, fetus. The part labeled R is called A. Placenta, B. Amniotic fluid, C. Fetus, D. Fallopian tube. The function of the part Q is to A. Allow passage of air and blood nutrients. B. Absorb shock waves so as not to reach the fetus. C. To help the fetus to breathe properly. D. Pass urine and feces from the fetus to the mother's urinary bladder. In human beings, the gestation period is approximately A. 32 weeks, B. 50 weeks, C. 42 weeks, D. 52 weeks. Which one of the following is not a correct statement about reproduction in human beings? A. Fertilization takes place in the uterus. B. The zygote gets implanted in the wall of the uterus. C. The blood of the mother and fetus do not mix. D. Menstruation stops during pregnancy. Which one of the following is not a correct statement about fetus? A. Waste products are removed through the placenta. B. Receives food substances from the mother's blood. C. Receives oxygen through placenta. D. The blood of the mother and that of the fetus mix.